So, I thought that was a cool idea, so we'll kind of throw some more ideas around about that and see if we can plan one out and just see how it goes. We'll just see how it goes.
I wasn't in on the meeting where you talk about that. So
yeah. So this is mostly like Chandler and Andrew, like, oh yeah.
just like, what's going on?
Like, wait a second, what the fuck is going on?
We're committed to buy $100,000.
Matt's doing math in his head.
You're good. Yeah. Well, I mean,
I get what it does. I just didn't know if, like, at the end of the year we'll sell it. We do another 4.
Yeah, I mean, it's really a very loose plan. In addition to that, any dealers of ours, who submit purchase orders via email, like or I think that he should be the one responsible for submitting those into the system, just because it is sort of like a wholesale related task. I don't see why we couldn't put that on his plate.
Right.
And then last but not least, basically continually updating our wholesale price lists for the companies who we deal with who do require those, or making sure that that's always accurate, up to date, and formatted accordingly. So we just need to make it clear what they should expect when doing their receiving. Sheets that we talked about?
Yes.
I was just going to have you look at that. As for reference, we need to look at the stuff that we have now in terms of the content that we're sending people, and make sure that we are covering that stuff. We don't want this in HTML. So, oh, fuck. Show you this too. We were working on this a while back, but we haven't really touched it in a while until just this week. Actually, All-Star. Shout out to All-Star. Love those dudes. Was nice enough to send me this headlight. So we were test fitting these M4 style halos in here. We removed the stock ones, and the one for the low beam actually fits pretty damn well. But the one for the high beam, we kind of have to take another look at, because I don't know, the geometry doesn't seem to be lining up perfectly as far as I can tell. So a little bit more fine tuning to do there. But off we go. Every day is like leg day around here, right, Jamel?
That's right.
Every day is like leg day with those fucking stairs. It always sounds like the stairs are going to fall down, too. Business license reminder from the city of Atlanta. That's a great thing to just kind of just leave on the showcase up front, right? Just, yeah, this is important. Toss. How about this? That's for you, George. Boom. Morimoto. Don't forget to read your instructions, kids. So we're going to get back to this. We were doing our install vids for the Pixel DRL boards. Before we get into that, we have to go ahead and reassemble all of the headlights, because they're all taken apart, just as they have been over the last couple months as we've been test fitting prototypes and whatnot. So we're getting them reassembled with the OEM boards once again, so that we can take them apart and put the Pixel boards back in them once and for all the little boys and girls to watch. So enjoy. We're going to get back to that. Sweet. So we just finished a couple other videos, and our dude just finished an install on a local customer's F-150 truck who came in this morning looking for something that will help improve the light output while driving around at night. We made the suggestion to put on some fog lights for him here. It's just something real easy, bolt on. So we figured, we'll do a little product demo for the entire XB fog light line. So here we go. Gonna bust that out right now. So this morning we had a customer came in from Atlanta, a local guy, brought a 2016 F. So we just finished recording a bunch of pretty basic installation videos for the Pixel DRL boards. We created quite a mess over here, and we're just working on cleaning stuff up for the day. Always got to clean stuff up from making a mess. I'm kind of a neat freak, so when there's clutter around here, it drives me freaking nuts. So if anybody, I got to clean up if I make the mess. So that's what we're working on right now. I know it wasn't too exciting of a day, but it was definitely a productive one. One day left in the week, first week of the year, and we're getting shit done. So we'll look forward to seeing you guys next week. Enjoy. Don't bake too many headlights this weekend. Don't get too crazy, y'all. But have fun, and love you guys. See you next week.